Right, week 4. So I hope you're getting the hang of it in our course, and I think it's pretty once you understand to go to Moodle, click on the assignment document for all the assignments, and then click on the forum to post the forum. That's the work being done in Moodle, and then the assignment document. If you follow every step in that, you'll be fine. And some people keep forgetting to complete the weekly checklist form, and they're forgetting to complete the blog self-assessment form. And that's really important that you do that every week. So be sure to keep doing that. This week, let me share the screen a little bit, because I'm just going to run through some highlights that we've got. So if I click on this and be patient as I share the screen. So you'll see here in Moodle, let me close that, week 4, again, we're going to look at blog design and website platforms. So here's the assignment document and the forum. So at the assignment document, I'm going to start at the beginning. Always watch this overview video. Again, the key is explore these sites. Now, when I say explore for all of these sites, WordPress, KidBlog, Blogger, we already have a Blogger account, but you don't have to create accounts. I want you to actually click on them and just see what their features are and do a little comparison, just, briefly. You don't spend too much time, but I want you to see the difference between, say, a Joomla or a Weebly, or what's WordPress, is that like Blogger? So look at those features, do some research on your own. The option now, if you're really tech savvy, you could look at the CCV has Class Web, where you can actually host your own WordPress site. So if you're really tech savvy and you want to do that, you could create a WordPress site there if you'd like. That's optional. Now, this is important, the elements of blog design. I want you to read these websites. Look at them clear. They're pretty simple, but the tips in them are important. So again, it's 7 tips to beat, this is bad blog design. I don't want to see some of them, funky fonts that we can't read. If you have multiple colors in your font and text, like green on blue, people with colorblind can't read it, and I can't read a lot of it. So follow the elements of good blog design, which is pretty much says you're using black text on white background so we can read it. Reverse type is not a great thing. Sometimes it is, but most of the time it isn't. Again, no clip art. I don't want to see clip art. Don't underline everything unless it's a link. And then make it scannable. Use headers. And there's some built-in headers in Blogger. Use those. There's built-in headers in websites. Use those. So again, that's just one of the links, but I want you to look at all these links and read them. And then demonstrate to me in the learning assignment, when you click on this will, let me go back. If you click on this, it's going to open a new document. All right, let me close this. In this new document, just follow the steps 1 and 2. And if you want to do 3, which is the hard one, do 3 instead of 2. But what I'd like you to do is to fix up your blog and use the elements of good blog design. Very simple. And use the Blog Help Center. If you need help, post to our community. And there's blog video tips. Use those. Step 2, create a new Google site. A very simple Google site. I should put new in here because I don't want using the classic sites. And if you watch this video I have here, it'll show you how to do that. And again, demonstrate to me that you understand the features and functions in the new site and that you've used some of the good elements of good design. And there's some tips down here. Use these tips. And then again, the option here is to create a WordPress site in the CCV Class Web. And again, those are for more tech-savvy people. And let's see, let's go back. So go to the discussion, answer these discussion. And again, I think people they're adding opinion to the discussion. You're not supporting your opinion with the readings. So you really need to be doing that. Same with the blog post. A lot of people are just being very brief. You're not reflecting on all the assignments you did. um, and you're not supporting it with the work or the activities that we did. Some are doing a great job, but others use the rubric guide, and for the blog posts as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Um, so I look forward to seeing your website, seeing your blogs improved, and meeting the elements of good design. Take care.